Finally got the DJI Avata, my first ever FPV drone. I'm so excited, so stoked to try it out and get this amazing experience from FPV. I've been wanting to do it for a while, but just never got into it. But now this is the perfect drone to get into FPV. So I'm really excited to try it out. Okay, got the Avata, the DJI goggles version 2, and the motion controller. Got the battery for the goggles. Time to get set up and rolling. This is truly a different experience. I don't think I've had so much fun flying drones before, but this is what I was missing out on. That's my brother trying out as well, FPV for the first time, so that should be cool. How's it feel?
Unreal.
Okay, ready? Press it twice, yeah. Okay, now wait. Now, press the same button, long press and hold it.
This?
No, this one, yeah. Woo! It's crazy, right? Okay, that experience was just unreal. That was my first time flying FPV. Well, before obviously coming out here, I set up everything at home. I had to activate DJI Care Refresh, make sure all the settings were there, make sure all the firmwares were updated. So I kind of just I had to get a feel of it, but I didn't really fly it. I just took off in the living room, and I was just so excited to just come out and try this drone, and I'm just blown away. Now, I am not an FPV pilot. I've never flown FPV before, and this is just insane, the experience that FPV drones bring. It's crazy. And I fly stabilized drones more, so I can give you better reviews on those because I fly them, I compare them, and I use them for work. But I've never flown an FPV drone before, so I can't really give you the ins, outs, what it must have, things like that. But yeah, I'm just gonna go home and have a look at the footage. I know it's decent alike. I'm not sure if it's 8-bit or 10-bit. I think it's 8-bit, but still pretty good, and it records in 4K. I know the camera is slightly better than the DJI FPV's camera, but it is so good. The quality of the build, it's really nice. I've seen people other reviewers crash it a lot, and it's still working completely fine. I mean, obviously it's an FPV drone, so it's meant to be flown really crazy, get those shots, those really risky shots, and you also definitely end up crashing your drone no matter how experienced a pilot you are. But oh my god, is this drone amazing? Absolutely. I've never had more confidence flying through tighter spaces before than with this drone. So many possibilities will be unlocked with this drone, and I've had an amazing time flying this drone. The only regret is that I wish I got more batteries with it. The only reason I didn't buy the batteries is because the fly more kit would have taken longer to come, and then the drone and the batteries would have shipped on the same day, and I just couldn't wait. So I just bought the drone first, and Now I'm gonna order the extra batteries just so I can fly this thing more. It is absolutely insane. So from the perspective of someone who's flying FPV for the first time, I've had a time of my life. Again, yes, it was just insane, and I can't wait to try this out for some more professional shoots, like say real estate. But obviously before doing that, I need to practice a lot more, getting through those tighter spaces, getting more better with the controls, and eventually learning how to manually control the drone, which is where you get even better looking shots, and that's where the true experience of flying FPV is. So I look forward to flying this more, and once I'm home, I'm gonna use the DJI flight simulator to get some more practice with this drone, just so I don't have to crash this outside. But God forbid, I crash this drone, but I'm gonna go out to more open spaces, practice flying this drone, and get some more time on it. I think this is what I'm going to be flying for some time now. Like I've always been excited to get new DJI drones. I mean, they don't send it to me to review, I just buy them, but I've never been more excited to get a drone than this one. I was so looking forward to getting the DJI Avata drone, and it has not disappointed at all. At least from the perspective of a first-time FPV pilot. A lot of you people will, who fly stabilized drones will want to get into FPV, and I'm just sharing my experience as well. So if you're looking to get into FPV, this is the right drone. This definitely is the right drone to get into FPV drones. Now again, DJI has not sent me this for review, so I bought this drone, and this is my own personal opinion. This drone is crazy, and it's just been my first flight. I can't wait to make more videos from this drone, and as I keep making more videos, I'm gonna learn more and share my experiences as well. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe because there's a lot more videos coming to this channel. Thank you guys. See you soon.